Are ice baths gonna turn you into Captain America, like when he comes outside that pod, or Wolverine when he comes outside that water, like ah? If you stay at the end of this video, I'll let you know. So generally they say stay in cold water for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure that water is between 50 to 59 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Now the popular benefits out there for ice baths are it helps lower inflammation and muscle soreness, which means you can go back to the gym quicker or the field of play. It also lowers the effects of humidity and heat, which means you can cool down quicker. It also trains the vagus nerve, which plays an important role in stressful situations, which basically means over time when your body says it has 2 more reps in it, but your mind says no, you'll be able to do 4 more. Also, ice baths also help with sleep quality, as well as improved immune system. Now, those are the powerful benefits of ice baths. Now, what does the hardcore science say? One study that I looked at volleyball players and how ice baths affected them after an intense training period. For the short term, within the training week, and a long term period, a 16-day period. In the short term, no benefits whatsoever, and in the long term, it trended to benefits, but it wasn't ironclad though. It wasn't, for sure. It was just maybe, basically. Another article that I looked into referenced a lot of studies. So and basically what it said was when it comes to inflammation and reducing it, no benefits. When it came to muscle soreness, there might be some benefits. So you're probably scratching your head, or if you're me, patting your flat top saying, is this thing gonna help me or not? And the answer is it might. What these articles / studies are saying right now is there needs to be more research. We're not too sure yet when it comes to the benefits and the effects of ice baths. But that's not to say that you shouldn't be doing it. If you do get the green light from a licensed professional saying that it is okay for you to do it, and if you find that it works for you, by all means, go ahead and do it. But emphasis on the green light from a licensed professional, because not everyone should be doing ice baths. For some people, it can be very dangerous. And if you got value out of this video, please subscribe down below. Like, comment, share. And always remember to make mirrors your canvas, waste your paintbrush, sweat your paint, and mirror drawing always be beautifully unfinished. And please watch more of my stuff, I should say, so you can get more value. Have a good day.